This is my December Ipsy Glambag, and everything came in this pretty, sorry that was the chair, pretty little sequin bag. And then I got this, I don't know how you say it, Quay. It's a dry shampoo, but it's a foam, so we've never tried this. And then I got this pretty little brush. It's kind of got a rose gold handle. This, I don't know, it looks like Kiss and Smink, and it is a blush lipstick. I think you can also use it as an eyeshadow is what I read, and I'll open it in just a minute and let you see. And then I also got this lip gloss, and I've never tried this brand either, so we'll swatch it in just a second. So I got this little eyeshadow, and then this It Cosmetics mascara. And then Be Merry, Be Bright, Be Bold, Be You. Okay, this is the little blush, and the color is, it looks like Tulum. And here it is on my hand, the kind of peachish pink color. It's real pretty, and I believe you can use this lipstick, blush, or eyeshadow. And I got that on my hand. Okay, and then here is the lip gloss. It says Lip Brulee, I believe is how you say it. High Shine Lip Cream. It says the Beauty Crop, and I can't really tell the color. It looks like rhubarb custard maybe. And as you can see, it's pretty bright and cheerful. And then the eyeshadow, you really can't see it that much. It's more, it says a highlighter, and the color is Sienna's Highlight. And it says Spread the Love. And so it's a real pretty highlighter. So you can use it as eyeshadow or highlighter on your cheeks. And so we got 6 items this month, so it was kind of nice. So everything looks real pretty, so we can't wait to try it all. Thanks for watching.